dead end?
No idea.
There it is. It's going to lock up from overheating, I'd say. That's antifreeze, ain't it?
Maybe some.
Let's go walk over here where it comes over at.
Probably our best idea.
How in the world did it go down through there? You see any tire tracks? Is that them?
Huh?
Where's the tire tracks? Right here's some stuff off of it. Yeah, right there. It hit the guardrail right here.
Hit the guardrail?
Yeah. Right here. And there's part of the guardrail. And you must have rode it right down through here.
Okay.
Watch out. There's the guardrail where you come across. Part of the vehicle. I don't know what that is. That's down through here. This is a tire track. Out here's some more truck parts. Holy mackerel. Went right down through there.
This is my first time ever counting an accident in my life.
I'm gonna put this on Facebook. Ready? Still running. Hit the tree. See where it hit the tree?
Yeah. Oh my God.